So we've got this Mercedes in oven today. It's having a new rear bumper. It has had a little repair on tailgate. That's been primed. So we're going to get this bumper painted, get the tailgate painted and blend the quarters. What I mean by blend the quarters, so where the bumper meets, we're going to blend the colour in and then lacquer the full panel. As you can see, we remove all the trims and everything off the vehicle, and we always go to the end of the panel with the lacquer. So we'll be lacquering all the way over to end, because if you have a quick look here, this car has had previous bad paintwork, and where you see that rip back, that's where they've tried to blend the clear in, and obviously it's not happened, and you could see that before we've even sanded it down. So we don't just repair the makes of vehicles that we're approved for, we do repair every make and model of every vehicle. So if you need any paintwork or any accident repairs and you want it repaired correctly, give us a call and we can take care of everything for you.